Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing another review. We're going to be doing the fidget spinner case, the ones that have like metal cases review. So yeah, the ones that have metal cases. These are the two that have metal cases. I have one that's like shaped like a ninja star maybe. Yeah. And another one that's a two-sided one. And yeah. Yeah, let's go. Go on to the unboxing. Cases on the side. And so yeah, let's get on to this. This one's way much better spinning because it doesn't really have that like much noise to it. This just hear that. It has a bunch of noise. And hear this one, it's more smooth. So yeah. These two, this one spins for a longer time. This one's like 3 minutes and 54 seconds. This one's like 2 minutes. So yeah. I really like both of these guys. So yeah, they're really cool. The ones that I like the most are these two. Oh yeah. Oh! I'm balancing two on one hand. So I balanced the two-sided one and a three-sided shaped ninja star one. See that? If you see those, like, it's going backwards this way, that it does not look like that in real life. I spent it this way, and it's going this way, so yeah. So I really like both of these guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And